Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well. So basically last video I promised to share with you with two projects. So that was the experiment phase and I toggled that within 7 days I made huge profit, but at the end the result was not so good for one project, but I will share with you one project in this video and another one which is really good for a long time. Again I am saying the second one is for long time, not for short time. So if you participate in the second project and wait for the long term, then it will be really good for you and your portfolio, and I hope you will get benefited in the long run. So let's start the video after the intro. Last time I talked about what is reverse token or elastic supply. So if you don't watch this video, then go check it out fast, because if you want to know about the first project, then you need to know what is reverse token, then you can understand the first project. So in reverse tokens there is two things, like if the price upper than the target price, then there will be positive reverse and you will get reward for that. If the price of that coin is less than the target price, then there will be a negative reverse and some coin will be deducted from your wallet. So this was the basic things of reverse tokens. So there is a negative reverse, and if the price traded below the target price, then there will be a long time negative reverse, and every time some coin will be deducted from every user's wallet. So this is the worst thing about reverse tokens. There are a new type of token which is sayonara's coins. In these coins or in these tokens there will be only positive reverse. If you understand reverse token, then you will get this idea. So there will be only positive reverse. If the price of that token traded below the target price, then there won't be any negative reverse. So basically the thing is, if the coin is traded upper than the targeted price, then you will get reward. If the price of that coin is less than the target price, there won't be any reward or there won't be any deduction on your wallet. So this is the main things of sayonara's tokens. So in this case I participate on two projects, like empty set dollar and basis cash. So I already cash out from empty set dollar at loss, so I won't recommend you to participate any of this like empty set, frax or dynamic set. But basis cash is something where you can participate and hopefully you will get benefited if the price of basis cash hit $1 or more than $1. Also basis cash is traded below $1 and you won't get any reward at this time, but if the price of basis cash BAC token is traded upper than the targeted price, which is $1, then you will get reward. So you need to wait for that, but you can take participant if you want to buy in the dip. If you want to buy, you can take risk, but I won't suggest to participate any of these coins at this moment. As I promised in the previous video, that's why I am sharing with you all these things and how will you get reward. So let's talk about the basis cash. So here are two tokens. One is basis cash BAC token and another is basis share BAS token. So what you need to do is you need to go to their website like basis.cash and you need to connect your wallet in that website. Please check in the description to get all of these official links. So after going to basis cash, you need to connect your wallet. You can use MetaMask, or if you are using Brave browser, there will be a crypto wallet built in like MetaMask. So simply connect your wallet in this website. After that you click on boardroom. After going to boardroom, okay, first you need to approve this, then there will be like this, like plus button and minus button. If you click on plus button, then you need to deposit your basis share. This token you need to buy and deposit into their website, and in return you will get basis cash, basically BAC token. The simple thing is go to CoinGecko and search basis share BAS token. Then you can buy this on Uniswap, Hotbit, bw.com, bkex and get.io. From here you can buy your basis share, and it will be transferred into your wallet or personal wallet which you connected into this website. Then approve your confirmation to stake your basis share in this website. So click on plus button. You can click max, as I don't have any basis share available, so here it's showing 0. And if you buy like one basis share, then it will be 1. Then confirm it. After confirming on the Ethereum blockchain, it will be deposit in here, and in return you will get basis cash, which is BAC token. So when will you get basis cash? You need understand this first. So in here you can see next APOS, which will be in 16 hours, and in here you can see BAC price. So this is the price, and this is the scaling factor. So scaling factor is the main thing for getting reward. So you need to always focus on this scaling factor. If the scaling factor is upper than 1 or 1.0, then you will get reward in basis cash in here. So basically, if the scaling factor is like 1.10 or 1.15 or 1.16, so from where this base scaling factor is coming? From this price. So if the price of basis cash is greater than $1, then this scaling factor will be greater than $1. Like if the price of BAC token is like 1.17, then the scaling factor will be 1.17, and from this treasury amount there will be reward for you. So when the price was greater than $1 or there was a scaling factor about 1.17, so I get daily 2 to 4, about 2 to 4 basis cash in reward. So this the earnings of my first week. So after first week, price of basis cash was dumped and I won't get any reward for. So how you can do is you need to first buy basis share from any of these exchanges, then deposit into this boardroom. Go here and approve your confirmation to deposit or stake in this website. Then click on plus button, then max, then confirm it. After confirming on the Ethereum blockchain, it will be staked in here, and if the scaling factor is greater than $1 or 1.10, then you will get basis cash, which is BAC token, in return. So this is the simple thing for this project. So this is the first project, so I won't recommend you to participate in this time. But if the scaling factor is greater than 1.10, if there is any reversal on the price of basis cash, like if it hits 1.10 or $1, then you can take participate in this project. So our next project or second project is Mirror Protocol, which is really great. So here is the reasons why it's the best project in my opinion for the next 6 months or 1 year. Everyone knows about synthetics. So this is the derivatives liquidity protocol. Here you can see anywhere to gain on-chain to an vast range of assets. So this project is on-chain protocol. So Mirror is the same thing like synthetics, but it's not on-chain protocol, it's multi-chain protocol. I hope everyone know about stock market. Like if you want to trade gold or silver or other things, then you need to go to your stock market broker. In there you can trade any stock asset. But if you want to trade that asset on the blockchain, then Mirror Protocol is the best place where you can do so. Mirror Protocol is assets reflect on the blockchain. In here you can see Mirror Protocol allows the creation of fungible assets synthetic that tracks the price of real world assets. So basically they mirror all the stock market assets in their protocol, and where you can trade by using your crypto. Why I am talking about Mirror Protocol like this? If you go to synthetics price, its current price is $15, and if you click on 1 year and you see that back in June 2020 the price of synthetics was $0.79, and the price goes up and its price is like now January 11 and 2021 $14. This is the same things will happen for Mirror Protocol in the long run, not for the short term. So current price of Mirror Protocol is like 2.57. About 12 hours ago it already made a new all-time high 2.98, and if I click on 30 days, then you can see the price of this token already started to pump, and I hope in the next 6 months or 1 year it will be double or triple or something, or it will catch up with synthetic network token price like $15 or something, because the advantage of multi-chain mirror is the best for now. Let's talk about how you will get more mirror protocol token by participating in mirror.finance. So first you need to select which blockchain you will use, like Terra or Ethereum. So I will recommend you to use Terra. So if you click on Terra, then it will redirect you to terra.mirror.finance. The main page will be like this. So this is the main page for Terra blockchain. So if you are using Terra blockchain, then the transaction fee or confirmation fee will be less than the Ethereum blockchain transaction fees. So if you want to use Terra blockchain, then you need a wallet of Terra, then which you will get from terra.money. So if you go to main website of Terra blockchain, then you will click on the download station wallet, then it will show you download for Chrome or Apple or Windows. So you can select any of this. I will recommend you to use browser extension. If you click on the Chrome icon, then it will redirect you to Chrome web store, and where you can see Terra station extension, and simply add this into your browser. So this wallet is similar to MetaMask. If you used MetaMask in the past, then nothing need to worry. This is the simple things like MetaMask. When you add this Terra station extension in your browser, then click on Terra extension icon, and you can create your own wallet by clicking create a new wallet. Or if you already had any Terra blockchain wallet, then you can import this into your extension or Terra station wallet. So after doing this, you can go to your mirror protocol like terra.mirror.finance, then you can connect into this website. When you click on connect, then it will ask for a permission to interact with mirror.finance website. If you confirm that, then it will be automatically connected in this website. So first you need USD. So this is the stable coin, which is Terra USD. So you can buy this USD in Uniswap Bittrex. So I will recommend you to use KuCoin. So this is the best place. I already convert my USD into USD. So it will be converted into 1:1 ratio. You can go and buy USD from KuCoin. Simply transfer that USD into your Terra station wallet. So after that, what you need to do is you need to buy any of the stock, mirror stock like M Silver or M Netflix. Let's see what pool they have. So if you click on stock, then here you can see there are so many pools to participate, like Tesla, Alibaba or Netflix. You can participate on Twitter liquidity pool, or you can participate on silver liquidity pool or gold liquidity pool, or you can participate on Google liquidity pool, which is mirror of Google stock market like Microsoft, Amazon. So you can participate any of this. So I will recommend you to use silver pool to participate, because there is not much inflation or there is less pump and dump in silver. So you can participate on M Silver USD liquidity pool. So first, what you need to do after deposit USD into your wallet, you need to go to trade to buy what you want to do. Like if you want to participate on silver pool, then you need 50-50 of USD and MSLV. Like if you want to participate on silver pool, then you can write here MSLV. So this is iShares Silver Trust. Here you can see there is not much pump and dump in the silver price, so it's more like stable. So you can participate in this. So after selecting MSLV or silver share, you need to buy 50% of your total balance. Like if you have $100 into your wallet, then you can click on 45. You will get 1.83 silver MSLV token. So what you can do is, after getting this, if you need to go to pool, in here you can provide your liquidity. Like first you select MSLV. So if you have any SLV like 1.83, so if you have 1.83, then you need to have 44.8 USD into your balance. So this is the 50-50 option, and for this be 8.92 liquidity token you will get in return. And in here you can see the transaction fee for this performance is only 0.27 USD, like 27 cents, which is more less than the Ethereum transaction. So that's why I recommend you to use Terra blockchain to participate on Mirror protocol. So after providing liquidity into this pool, you can simply click on stake, and you need to deposit your liquidity token into the right option. Like if you participate on silver, then you need to click on MSLV-USD LP. So in here there will be 8.9 something liquidity token. You can click on max and you need to stake this. So after staking this, it will be staked in the Mirror protocol, and in return you will get reward in Mirror token or MIT token. So in here you can see, by participating on silver share a liquidity pool, you can get APR at 236. If you participate on Google liquidity pool, then you will get a APR of 212, or if you participate on gold, then you will get 235% APR. After deposit your liquidity token, LP token or liquidity pool token, you can click on my page and scroll down. In here you can see pool, and in here you can see pool name and your liquidity balance. Like LP balance is my 9.045 and already have the share of 0.01%. In here you can see stake, and in here you can see I already earned 1.94 MIR or MIT token or Mirror protocol token. So this is the 7 days earnings of my stake, and I invested like almost $90. If I invested 10 times of this, then I already might get 10 times reward for my staking, and my total reward value is like 4.966 USD. So $4.966 I already earned from this staking platform or from this Mirror protocol. So I will hold this token for 6 months or 1 year to see how it goes. So you can claim your reward by clicking on claim reward. So here you can see my claiming transaction fee is 0.001 USD. So if I click on claim, then it will pop up a window like this, and in here I need to confirm and give my password to confirm this. Okay, after click on submit, it will broadcast transaction, and this transaction will confirm on the Terra blockchain, and my reward will be get back into my wallet. I already claimed 1.94 Mirror and MIT token or Mirror protocol token, and I can sell this on any exchange where Mirror protocol token is listed. Like I can sell on KuCoin, or this token is claimed on Terra blockchain, so this will be best to sell on. I can use Uniswap as I participate on Terra. Hopefully you are benefited from this video and going to participate on Mirror protocol. So I am really happy to share with you. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully you will be benefited from this project and this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe. Goodbye.